So this is Father's Day, and these are the sweet potatoes from that little vine that had overwintered as practically a dead twig all winter long. And it seems like once the heat came, this thing has just exploded. I see what the mulch is doing on this, and I think I'm going to get some of this mulch and put some on some of the ones up there. I put, I think, some leaves or something, but seeing this, I think I'm gonna, I think I'm gonna go put some of this on there. That looks really, really good. Granted, they probably get a little bit more watering, but I mean, I do water both of them twice a day. But neither one of them had any special fertilizing yet this year. Just whatever the birds left in the garden up there. Also, give an update on these two petunias. These are the two little seedlings that I had transplanted from up in the garden. They'd reseeded from a plant that I had up there over last year, and I transplanted them on a day that it was like 100 degrees, and they were so wilted, so wilted. Finally, after about a week, they are both of them showing signs of recovery, and the one here on the left, the bigger one, is showing signs of new growth. The one on the right is a little bit, but not near as much. And for this big container that they're in, I am bottom watering this, so hopefully the roots will grow. I would love to somehow get this light, if it is what I think it is, the light lilac, to get it crossed with that black. That would be stunning. But I don't know how to cross petunias. Anyway, I guess I'll let nature do its course there. I hope you're having a good day, and we will talk to you later. Bye.